Ozempic versus fasting. Two different paths, same headline, fat loss. But what's actually happening inside your body? In this video, we'll break down the science, the trade-offs, and what truly sticks long-term. Let's start with Ozempic. It's powered by semaglutide, a compound mimicking a hormone your body naturally produces called GLP-1. This hormone basically tells your brain, hey, maybe stop eating like you're in a Vegas buffet. But for many struggling with weight, GLP-1 levels are low, making appetite tough to control. Inject Ozempic and it floods your system with a fake fullness signal. Your brain thinks you just finished a full meal, even if your stomach's still empty. The result? You eat less, often without even trying. Some lose 15 to 20% of their body weight in a few months. Not bad, right? Except Ozempic wasn't designed for fat loss. It was created to treat type 2 diabetes. The weight loss? That came as a bonus. But here's what often gets left out. Ozempic comes with a long list of side effects: nausea, vomiting, bloating, constipation. More recently, celebrities and TikTokers have shared another unwelcome surprise: muscle loss. Drop too much muscle and you don't just look weaker, you are weaker. Muscle drives your metabolism. Lose it and your body starts behaving like a fat-storing Prius. And the price? $1,000 a month. For that money, you could hire a private chef, a trainer, and still have change for creatine. Studies show most people regain 2/3 of the weight within a year after stopping Ozempic. That doesn't mean it's bad. It means it's not a standalone solution. And yes, it's still relatively new. So if you're not medically dependent on it, you're joining a long-term experiment, whether you realize it or not. Now let's talk fasting, the OG of fat loss used for thousands of years by cultures worldwide. It costs nothing, involves no pharmacies, and doesn't make your digestive system hate you. So how does it work? After about 12 hours without food, your body flips a switch. It stops burning sugar and starts pulling energy from stored fat. This shift is called ketosis. But here's where it gets really interesting. Fasting triggers autophagy, your body's natural recycling system, breaking down old parts to build new, stronger cells. It's like your cells cleaning house, the way nature intended. No powders, no gimmicks, no overpriced detox plans. A 2016 study in Nature found autophagy may protect against metabolic disease and lower cancer risk. This isn't hype, it's biology. And unlike Ozempic, fasting boosts growth hormone, preserving muscle while burning fat. It improves insulin sensitivity so your blood sugar stops acting like it just chugged a soda. In short, fasting isn't just fat burning, it's performance boosting. Now ask yourself, which lifestyle is easier? Ozempic means needles, cold storage, prescription refills, and side effects that might send you sprinting to the bathroom. It makes you a passive observer of your appetite, outsourcing hunger management to a weekly injection. Fasting? You simply don't eat for part of the day. No apps, no powders, no confusing "does this protein bar break my fast" panics. Just your biology kicking in, resetting hormones, clearing junk, and getting back to baseline. After a few days, hunger settles, energy rises, mental clarity. You might finally knock out that to-do list you've been ignoring since 2021. Fasting rewires your signals. It's not suppression, it's adaptation. That's the real win. It builds internal awareness, not dependence. So what happens after the weight comes off? Stop Ozempic and your appetite slaps back like it's seeking revenge. Unless you've rebuilt habits, you're back to raiding the pantry at 11 p.m. Fasting builds life skills. Sitting with hunger without panicking, understanding emotional versus physical cravings, making food choices you don't have to apologize for later. These skills don't just help with food, they improve your sleep, your focus, your life. Ozempic is a system override. Fasting is a system upgrade. If rebuilding habits is where real change begins, here's how to start simple. Try the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. Example: stop eating at 8 p.m., skip breakfast, eat again at noon, done. During your fast, stick to water, black coffee, or tea. No sugar, no calories, and don't sneak in those "it's basically water" excuses. Start on a weekend. Give it 2 weeks. Most people report better energy, focus, and fat loss by day 10. Day 1, you're hungry. Day 3, you're high on ketones. Day 10, you're built different. And the science backs it up. A 2019 review in the New England Journal of Medicine showed fasting improves insulin sensitivity, brain function, and inflammation, even without counting calories. If you struggle at first, that's normal. Stick with it. Your body adapts faster than you think. Once it clicks, you'll have the foundation to explore other fasting methods, from OMAD to alternate day or even longer fasts. There's a whole world to unlock. We'll get into those in another video soon. But for now, just start here and see what your body's capable of. Fasting isn't for everyone, and neither is Ozempic. It's a powerful drug intended for specific medical needs like type 2 diabetes. Used responsibly under medical care, it can be life-changing for those patients. But if you're using it just to lose a few pounds before summer, that's like calling NASA because your Wi-Fi stopped working. So what's the bottom line? For most people, fasting beats Ozempic. It's free, flexible, and rooted in how the bodies work for thousands of years, not just what's trending this year. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Zero BS insights. And if there's something you're still wondering about, like whether chewing gum breaks a fast or if sniffing bacon counts, drop your question in the comments. I read everything, and your question might just shape the next video.